Hello, this is Tina LaFreniere, founder of Relatd Faces, and this Relatd Faces tip is on comparing people who look alike, such as sisters or fathers and sons, and using the Relatd Faces Resemblance number to help you figure out who is who in your own unidentified photos. First, I recommend creating a photo album where you can put all of the profiles you're wanting to compare. Remember, you can name albums whatever you like, so maybe it's the family name, or maybe you call it work in progress. It's up to you. Having all of the profiles you're comparing in one place, as shown here, makes it easier to compare by seeing your known people profiles right next to those you gave general descriptors. And it makes it easier to move from profile to profile when you're looking at resemblance numbers. To find the resemblance number between two faces, you just enter one of the profiles for one of your people in your comparison. In this case, I'm entering the known profile for John. Then I'm going to click on the pairings button, and you'll see in the upper right-hand corner that will show all of the pairings that he has made. The resemblance number for each of the pairings appears under each set of faces. Now you want to build a spreadsheet to make a clearer comparison between the possible combinations of pairings between the father and son. You will want to do this for each of the combinations of pairings like this. Think of this comparison spreadsheet the way you would a timeline for one of your ancestors. Grids like these can help you see many points of data at one time so you can understand what makes sense and what doesn't. On the left of the photos are the photos without identification. Across the top are the photos where the people are known, except the last photo, which is a repeat of one of the unidentified photos down at the bottom. Many times, the added data of knowing which unidentified people are pairing highly with other unidentified people can help you make good decisions and help you understand that some of your unidentified people may in fact be the same person. This chart of resemblance numbers clearly indicates that the unidentified men in rows 3 and 5 are likely to be Martin, the son. This is further confirmed by the comparison of the unidentified photo in row 3 and column M. You can see the high resemblance numbers for Martin. The man in row 4 is likely to be the father, John. And what is very interesting is that John appears to have a pairing with himself in column K at 79.75. which is pretty good considering there is about a 55-year gap between the two photos. Further confirmation of this photo, or examination, of this photo right here, and looking at the birth order of the children and the clothing that they're wearing, helped me confirm that this unmarked photo is my great-grandparents, and my approximately 3-year-old grandmother is on the far right. So I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how utilizing the Relatd Faces Resemblance numbers and a spreadsheet grid can help you figure out who is who in your unidentified photos.